Okay, friends, welcome to IACA. So, friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Assistant Prelims Grand Test number 55 Reasoning Explanation. So, friends, take your first question. See here. Again, first question is here. Again, question is from here. Sitting arrangement. Take here. Total here we are having seven members. Seven members. PQRST, U and V are sitting in a linear row. Has eight chairs and facing north, but not necessarily in the same order. So total here we are having eight chairs, but they give only 7%. That means one chair is empty. One chair is empty. Yes. One of the chair is vacant. Yes. Now, friend, check here. Take here. Total here we are having eight chairs and total here we are having eight chairs. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. Yes, totally we are having 8 shades. Next, P shades third from left hand. Now, this one is for they're facing north means by default left hand. This one is for right hand. Now, P is third from left hand. Leave it. Next one. Next point is what? T shades fourth left of yes. T is fourth left of yes. Friends, check here. If you take your S means first left, second left, third left, fourth left is for T. T is fourth left of yes. Who sits any position to the right of empty space? That means again, S is right of vacant space and yes here. S is right of here empty chair, otherwise vacant chair. Yes, leave it. Next point. Next point is what? One person is between see here, before point. Two persons in between P and R. Now, friends, check here. Between P and R, here we are having two members. Here we are having two members. Now, friends, check here. P 1 2. See here. If I take here person means P 1 2 different spot. Here R. But here there is chance to take one chair is empty. One chair is empty. Suppose friends take here one more possibility. See here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is what? 7, 8 chairs. Now P is start from left hand. Now between P and see here, two persons in between P and R. Here they mention persons and they mention persons. Here I will take person. Here also I will take person. Now between P and R, here we are having here two members. Now here between P and R, I will take one is empty and one is I will take empty. One is empty. So if out of these three, if one is empty means between P and R, there is chance to get only 2%. There is chance to get only two members. Yes. Next, friends, take previous points again. T sets, fourth left off. Yes. Next, who seated one position right of empty place. Next one is for R who does not adjacent to yes and now R is not adjacent to yes. So R is not adjacent to yes means then for R yes here no chance, yes here no chance. Next, suppose friends our requirement is part. Suppose if I take this one is part, yes, this one is part here, yes. But yes is right of empty space and yes is right of empty. If I take this one is part empty, now yes is right of empty. T is fourth left of yes. Then for yes, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. This is the only possibility for T. Yes, friends, again. Friends, again, they mention is what? S is not neighbor of R. That means for S here no chance, yes here no chance. That means suppose, but our requirement is what? T is fourth left of yes. T is fourth left of yes. So T is fourth left of yes means if I take here yes, then first left, second left, third left, fourth left possibility. But our requirement is what? S is right of empty space. S is right of empty. Now, friends, check here. Our requirement is what? Here T is fourth left of yes, but S is not neighbor of R. That means S here no chance. S here no chance. Suppose if I take here S means first left, second left, third left no chance. Then if I take this one is spot, yes, this one is yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is spot here T. Next, friends, again, T is fourth left of yes and T is fourth left of yes. Leave it. Next point is what? Friends, check here. Next point. See here. Our requirement is what? S is right of vacant. S is right of vacant. Here we don't know the vacant sheet. Leave it. Next point. See here. One person sit between U and V. One person sit between U and V. Who does not sit at any end. Between U and V, here we are having 1%. Here we are having one member. Yes, friends, here. In this case, between U and V, 1%, but V is not at end. That means funny spot. U, funny spot. Here, V. Now, between U and V, here 1%. U and V, 1%. Here, no chance. So, U and V, 1% may, this is the only possibility for U and V. This is the only possibility for U and V. Between U and V, 1%. Leave it. Next one. 1% sit between S and Q. Yes, 1% Q. There is no chance. Suppose, I will take this funny spot. Empty. This funny spot. Here, empty. If I take this funny spot here empty, this funny spot here empty. Now 1% this funny spot Q, but previously these two are already fixed for V and U1. See here. In the possibility between V and U, only one person said. Only one person said means these two are the possibilities for V are U, otherwise this one is for here U are V. But our requirement is for between S and Q here 1%. There is no chance. That means this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Now our requirement is for 1% sit between S and Q. Next, who sits any position to the left of Q? Now yes. Here this one is for empty, 1% one is for here Q. Between S and Q here we are having 1%. Here we are having two chairs, but one chair is empty. One chair is empty. Yes, this is the given one. Take here given question. See here. Question number one. Question number one is what? What is the position of V with respect to S? Position of V with respect to S is what? Immediate right. Then answer is what? There is no option. Answer is what? None of these. Question number two, how many persons sit between P and U? Between P and U, how many persons are there? Between P and U, 1, 2, 3. Friends, here they mention here persons. They mention here persons. Here we are having empty chair and between P and U, here we are having total 4 chairs, but here we are having only 3 persons. Then answer is for 3 persons. So answer is option A. Question number 2, option A. Question number 3, who among the following person is sitting immediate left of U? Immediate left of U is what? R. So question number 3, answer is, see, question number 3, here answer is what? Option B and answer is what? Option B. Question number 4, which of the following statement is true? Take a 1% between S and U. Between S and U, 1%. No, here 2 members here we are having. Next one. QV is immediate right of P. QV is immediate left of P. Here they mention immediate right. No chance. Next one. 2 persons between V and T. Between V and T, here we are having 2 members. No, here we are having 3 members. Next. R is third right of U. R is third right of U. See here. R is third right of U. This one also no chance. Then which of the following is true me? Then all the above statements are not true. Then answer is what? Option E. Question number 5. What is the position of Q with respect to V? Position of Q with respect to V. First left, second left, third left, fourth left. Answer is what? Fourth to the left. Answer is option A. Question number 5. Option A. Friends, here question number 6 to 10. Here the again question is from mission input and output. Friends, if it is a input and output, if it is a input and output, first check here logic. Friends, here first check logic for input and step number 1. See here in the given input lowest number is for 292. Lowest number is for 292. Then lowest number will comes first. Lowest number will comes first. After 292, next highest number is for 3629. Yes, highest number will comes last. See here lowest number will comes first. Highest number will comes last. Next. After 292, next highest number is what? Here 380 will comes first. 380 will comes first. Next. After 3629, next highest number is what? Friends, check here. Next highest number is here 1983. 1983 will comes last. Next. After 380, next highest number is what? 459 will comes first. After 1983, next number is what? 1730. That means here logic is what? Lowest number will comes first, highest number will comes last. Next, second lowest number will comes first. Next step and next, second lowest number will, second highest number will comes last. Like that they given here entire one. Yes, friends, check here. If they given shifting and if they given shifting, how we are going to conclude shifting means? See, step number 1, 292 is what? First place. Step number 2, its position is varying or not. If it is a varying mean, that one is what? Shuffling. If it is a shuffling means, by using question only we are able to conclude how many steps are required. How many steps are required? Friends, check here. See how many alphabets are there? How many alphabets? Otherwise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there. But each step how many numbers will comes? Here 2 numbers. That means each step 2 numbers means total 10 numbers. Then 5 steps are required. Yes. In the same manner, I will apply for this one. See here. Given input is one. See here. Take care. Given input. Input is what? 32. Input is what? 32. Next 109. Next one is what? 30. Next one is what? Here 30. Next 14. 56. Next one is what? 71. 99. See here. 71. Next one is what? 99. Next one is what? Check here. Next one is what? Here 67. Next one is what? Here 67. Yes. Friends, mission input and output. How we are going to solve? By using single line. See here. Step number 1, logic is what? Lowest number will comes first, highest number will comes last. Lowest number is what? 292. This one is what? L1. Left side, first position in step number 1. Highest number is what? 3629. This one is what? Right side, first position in step number 1. Next. After 292, next highest number is what? 380. This one is what? L2. After 3369, next highest number is what? 1983. This one is what? Here, R2. This one is what? R2. Next 459 is what? L3. Next one R3 is what? Check here. 1730. This one is what? R3. Next one is what? 582. This one is what? Here, L4. This one is what? L4. Next number is what? Friends, okay. This 912. This one is what? Here, R4. Next number is what? 663. This one is what? L5. This one is what? Here, R5. Suppose if they want step number 3, L3, L2, L1. See here. L3, L2, L1. Remaining is same. R1, R2, R3. If you are having any doubt, check once. L3 is what? 459. Next, L2 is what? From check. L2 is what? 380. L1 is what? Here, 292. Remaining is same. R1 is what? From check. R1. Check here. R1 is what? 3629. 3629. R2 is what? Check here. 1983. 1983. Now R3 is what? 1730. One check here. Step number 3. Same or not? 459, 380, 292. Remaining is same. Next 3629, 1983, 1730. Yes, like this we are going to apply it now. Friends, check here. For this one, now I will apply same logic. I will apply same logic. See here. Given input is what? Check once. 32, 109, 30, 14, 56, 71, 99, 67. See here. So friends, here step number 1 logic is what? Lowest number will comes first. Lowest number is what? Here 14 is what? L1. Then highest number will comes last. Highest number is what? 109 is what? R1. Next. After that, next one is what? 30 is what? Friends, here 30 is what? Here. After 14, next number 30 L2. After 109, 99 is this one is what? R2. This one is what? R2. Next 32 is what? This one is what? L3. This one is what? L3. Next 71 is what? Here R3. Next 53 is what? L4. 67 is what? Here R4. Yes. If you want step number 2, L2, L1 remaining is same, R1, R2. Yes, leave it about. Now, take questions and take questions. Question number 6. How many steps are required to complete the given input? How many steps are required here? 4 steps. So, question number 6, answer is what? Option D. Here, answer is what? Option D. Next, question number 7. Which would be the last step of the given input? Last step is what? From check here. Last step is what? L4, L3, L2, L1. Next, R1, R2, R3, R4, R4. Now, from check here. L4 is what? Stay here. L4 is what? 56. L3 is what? Friends, check here. L3 is what? 32. L2 is what? 30. L1 is what? 14. R1 is what? 109. R2 is what? Friends, check here. R2 99. Now R3 is what? R3 is what? 71. R4 is what? 67. Check once answer. 56, 32, 56, 32, 30, 14. Next 109, 99, 71, 67. Answer is what? Here option B. Answer is option B. Yes. If you want step number 4, L4, L3, L2, L1 and so on, R1, R2, R3, R4. If you want step number 3, L3, L2, L1 same, R1, R2, R3 like that. Now answer is what? Option B. Question number 8. Which of the following is the sixth number from the left hand in step number 2? So friends, now our requirement is what? Step number 2. Our requirement is what? Step number 2. Friends, if you want step number 2 means now, friends, check it. L2, L1 remaining is same, R1, R2, R1, R2. Now L2, L1, L2 is what? Here 30. L1 is what? Friends, check it. 14. Now remaining is same, R1, R2. R1 is what? 109. Next R2 is what? Friends, check it. R2 is what? 99. Remaining is same in the input. L1, L2 completed, R1, R2 completed. That means remaining is what? 30T, 32. R1 completed, L2 completed, next one is what? L1 completed, next one is what? 56. Next one is what? Here 71. Next one is what? Here 67. Leave it up. Now question is what? Sixth number from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth number is what? 67. Yes. So question number 8. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 9. Find the sum of the first numbers in step number 2 and step number 4. Sum of the first numbers in step number 2 and step number 4. Step number 2, first number is what? 30. Now step number 4 is what? L4, L3, L2, L1, R1, R2 and so on. Now L4 is what? Check it. L4 is what? 56. Now 30 plus 56. Answer is what? 86. Yes. So question number 9. Answer is what? Option D. Answer is what? Here. Option D. Question number 10. Which of the following number in between 30 and 109 in step number 4? Once note down step number 4. Friends, check here. Friends, check it. Step number 4. L4, L3, L2, L1, R1, R2, R3, R4. Now friends, check here. So friends, see here. They given one is what? See here. 30 and 109. Suppose friends, check here. L4 is what? Stay here. L4 56. Next L3 is what? 32. L2 is what? Take here. L2 1. L2 is what? 30. L1 is what? 14. R1 is what? 106. Our requirement is what? Between 30 and 106. Which number is there here? 14. So answer is what? Option D. So question number 10, answer is option D. Question number 11 to 13. Here the again question is from directions. Take care. Aditi moved 2 meters south from her home. Suppose and check this funny spot. Here, her home. Now, she moved 2 meters south from her home. Next, she turned on left, facing south means funny spot. Left hand. And moved for 3 meter. Moved for 3 meter. And turned on right. Now is facing east means now she turned on right and moved for and moved for here 3 meter. Again she turned on right and moved for 5 meter. She turned on right. Again she moved for 5 meter. This one is 3 meter. Now this one is what? Here 2 meter. Next to reach the shop. Now she reached to shop. Next now she turned on left and moved for 4 meter. Now she turned on left and moved for here 4 meter. Moved for here 4 meter. And again turn on left and moved for 2 meters. Again turn on left and moved for here 2 meters. Yes. Next one. Finally she turned on right and moved for 3 meter. Now finally she turned on right. Facing is now turn on right and moved for 3 meter. Next. After that and turn on left and moved for 4 meter. Now at this point she turned on left and moved for 4 meters. This one is 3 meter. This one also 3 meter. This one is what? 1 meter. Now to reach the hospital. This one is what? Here hospital. This one is what? Hospital. Leave it. Now take questions. What is the direction of shop from her home? Direction of shop from her home. From her home is what? Here east, west, north, south. Answer is what? Southwest. So friends here question number 11 answer is what? Option D. Question number 12. What is the total distance traveled by Aditi from the shop to the hospital? Total distance traveled and distance traveled. That means we are going to add total distances. So total distance traveled by Aditi from the shop to hospital. Shop to hospital. This one is what? Shop. Now this one is what? Hospital. Here 3 plus 2 total is what? Sorry 4 plus 2 total is what? Here 6. Next 9. Next 10 plus the total is what? 13. Answer is what? 13. So question number 12 answer is what? Option C. And answer is what? Option C. They mention total distance traveled. That means we are going to add total distances. If they mention distance between, otherwise shortest distance means we are going to take right angle triangle. Yes. Go for next one. See here. If the restaurant is 4 meters to the west of hospital, restaurant is 4 meters west of hospital, then this one is what? Restaurant. This one is what? Here restaurant. Next. Then what the shortest distance between restaurant and our home? This one is home. This one is what? Restaurant. This one is 3. This one also 3. This one is 2. This one also 2. That means these are vertically in the same line. Now this one is what? 2 meter. This one is 3 meter. This one also compulsory 3. This one is 4. Now this one is 3. 2 plus 3 total is what? 5. Next 9 plus the total is what? 12. Total is what? 12. Yes. Question number 13 answer is what? Here option A. And see here. Question number 13 answer is option A. 9 classes of different subject A to I are scheduled one after another, not necessarily in the same order. Class of E is scheduled before A. Friends, E is before A. We don't know immediate or not. But not immediately after the subject B. Here but qualifies here E. E is not immediately after B. E is not immediately after B. Leave it. Next. Class of A and F are scheduled consecutively. Now, friends, here AF, otherwise FA. We don't know whether A is before F or F is before A. But A and F both are neighbors. Leave it. Next one. 2 classes are scheduled between B and A, in which the class of A is being scheduled after B. Now, between B and A, here 2 classes, but A is after B. Now A 1 to different is what? Here B. Between B and A, 2 classes, A is after B. Leave it. Next one. Next one is what? Friends, okay. Class D is scheduled immediately before C. D is immediately before C, which is that means C is immediately before G. C is immediately before G. Next one. Class F is scheduled immediately before H. F is immediately before H. No chance. Then this possibility is wrong. F is immediately before H. F is immediately before H. Which was the last one? That means H is the last one. H is the last one. Total 9 in it. Total 9 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now D is just above C. C just above G. These 3 are neighbors. Now D, C, different spot here G. Now our requirement is for check here. E is not immediately after B. That means for E here no chance. This is the possibility for E. Now remaining is for check here. Remaining is for here I. Remaining is I. Yes. Now take your question. Question number 14. Class of dash is scheduled at first. At first, which one is scheduled here? D. H is the last and H is the last. That means first one is for D. So question number 14. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 15. Which of the following subject is scheduled immediately before A? Immediately before A. E. So question number 15. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 16. How many classes are scheduled between B and F? Between B and F, how many classes are there? Friends, again, between B and F. 1, 2, 3 classes. Yes, so answer is what? Option B. So question number 16. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 17. Which of the following classes scheduled immediately after the subject B? Immediately after B, I. So question number 17. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 18. Class of dash is scheduled before B. Friends, okay, class of dash is scheduled before B and before B. Here we are having G, C, D. They mentioned before B and that means here G, C and D, but they give only one option G. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 18, option C. Question number 19 to 21. Here they again question is from syllogism. The given is part which are the following conclusions are logically follows. Take your first statement. Only few months are game. Friends, take care. Months. Take care. Months. Some months are games at the same time. Some part of month is not game. Next one. No ride is a game. Friends, check it. Here no ride is a game. No ride is a game. Next. No months are noons. Now no month is a noon. No month is a noon. Yes, take a first conclusion. No noon is a ride. Noon and ride relation is part can't say. First one is part can't say wrong. Second one. All month being right is a possibility. All month being right is a possibility. No game is a ride. In game month is some part. Some part of month is not right. But all month is right is a possibility. Wrong. Why means already some month is not right. This one also wrong. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Answer is option D. Neither one nor two. Question number 20. Only few phones are rings. Friends, take a phone. Some phones are rings. Some phones are rings. At the same time, some part of phone is a not ring. Some part of phone is a not ring. Next, all rings are clap. Friends, check ring. This all ring is a clap. All ring is a clap. Next, some claps are bugs. Now take your clap. Some part of clap is a bug. Take your first one. At least some bug are phone. Some bug are phone. Bug and phone relation is smart. Can't say first one is wrong. Second one. At least some phones are claps. Some part of phone is mixed with here. Clap. Then second one is true. Then answer is what? Only two follows. Option B. 21. Only few first are fingers. That means some first is a finger. Some first is a finger. Yes, friends, check it. Some first is a finger. Some first is a not finger. Next one. Some finger are thumb. Some finger is a thumb. Some finger is a thumb. Only few thumbs are toy. Some thumb is a toys. Next, some part of thumb is a not toy. Take first conclusion. All toys can never be. Remember, can never be means what? Some not. Can never be means what? Some not. Before whatever they given, take some not. That means some toys are not finger. Some toys are not finger. Friends, again, some toys are not finger. Toy and finger relation is what? Can't say. Then first one is what? Wrong. Second one. All fingers can never be first. That means can never be means what? Some not. Some fingers are not first. Some fingers are not first hand. Friends, okay, some finger is not first. We know some part of first is not finger. We can't say some finger is not first. Then second one is wrong. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Answer is what? Neither one nor two. Question number 22 to 26. Friends, okay. If vowels of the word having only one vowel, if the vowels of the words having only one vowel, next, words with more than one vowel will be unchanged. Yes, see here. If you are having more than one vowel, unchanged. More than one vowel, unchanged. Next is replaced by next letter according to the English alphabetical series. Then how many words will have repetitive consonants? Yes, friends, check here. So if the given word, if you are having only one vowel, it is changed to next letter. Change it to next letter. But if you are having more than one vowel, no need to change. No need to change. That means here we are having one vowel. Here we are having one vowel. That means change this one to next letter. That means E next one is what? F. E next one is what? Here. K, F, X. But there is no repetitive consonants. Leave it. Next one. Here we are having two vowels. Not required. Why means if only one vowel is there, then change. Next one. Here O. O. Here one vowel. That means change next letter means what? Here. P. MPD. No consonant is repeated. Leave it. Next one. Next one NOD. O. Next letter is what? P. NPD. No consonant is repeated. Next OAT. Next one is what? OAT. So friends, here OAT means here we are having two vowels, but our requirement is what? If it is only one vowel, then change it to next one. So how many words have repetitive consonants? No, that means answer is what? None. So question number 22, option D. Question number 23. If the letter C is added at first letter in the each word from left hand, then how many meaningful words can be newly formed? CKX, it is not meaningful word. CLIA, no. CMOD, no. CNOD, no. Next, COAT, court. Yes, friends, okay. That means we are able to frame only one meaningful word. If you are going to add C at the starting, then answer is part. Only one. 23, option A. Question number 24. If the letters of each word is arranged in reverse order, see, if the letters of each word is arranged in reverse order, then add the letter N as the first letter of each word from left, then how many words has only two consonant? Yes, friends, whatever, if you reverse or not reverse also, word is same, but how many words have only two consonant? That means friends, okay, starting we are going to add one is N, starting here we are going to add N. So starting here, if you are going to add here N and see, for here, for this one kx, here we are going to add N and starting. Friends, no need to do any reverse, and if we do reverse or not also, before and after word is same, they are asking about, see, how many words have only two consonant. If I am going to ask N at the starting, then here we are having total three consonant, first one no chance. If N is at the starting, next how many, here we are having, see, N starting means what, here given word is what, here LIA. So here we are having only two consonants. Here we are having only two consonants. Yes, one word. Next, K is starting means what? Total three consonant, no chance. K is starting means total three consonant, no chance. K is starting means what? KT, only two consonant. That means here this one, here this one. That means totally here we are having two pairs. Answer is what? Option C. Yes. Question number 24. Option C. Arrange the letters of each word in English alphabetical order from left to right. Within the word, how many words will remain unchanged? Yes. Now friends, check, if you are going to arrange this one alphabetical order, EKX, this one is changed. Next one, EIL changed. Next, DMO changed. DNO changed. AOT changed. That means all are changed. Unchanged means none. So answer is what? Option E. Replace the consonants of each word by the previous letter as per the English alphabetical series. Then how many words will be formed? Three vowels. Yes, friends, check. Friends, each and every word here we are having three letters, but our requirement is for compulsory three letters are vowels only. Then, but consonant change it to previous. K previous is what? Friends, check. K previous is what? Here J. That means here no chance to get three vowels. Next, L before is what? K. No chance to get three vowels. M before is what? Here L. No chance to get three vowels. N before M. No chance to get three vowels. Here T before is what? Yes. No chance to get three vowels. Then answer is what? Here 0. Answer is what? 0. Yes. Question 26. Answer is what? Option D. Friends, don't convert entire word. Just check. We are having three letters. Then check consonant. One consonant change and one consonant change. If you are getting vowel means check for other consonant. Here only we are going to getting here consonant means no chance to get. Yes. So question 26. Answer is what? Option D. Question 27. In a certain code language, October. Friends, check it. OCTOBR. October is called as PE, next one is part WSGKY. Honesty is called as IQQIXZ. Then how victory is called as? Now friends, check it. Then how victory is called as VICTORY. Friends, check it. Here logic is what? Friends, check it. OP. O plus 1 is what? Here P. CE is what? Plus 2. T plus 3 W. Next O plus 4. Next one is what? Plus 5. That means here logic is what? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and so on. Yes. Now check this one. Friends, here V plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Now V plus 1 is 1, 22 plus 1, 23. 23 means what? Here W. Starting with W. Yes. I plus 2 is what? 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means what? Here K. C plus 3, 6. 6 means what? F. T plus 4, X. O plus 5, T. R is what? 18 plus 6, 24. 24 means what? X. Y is what? 25. 25 plus 7 is what? 32. But here we are having only 26 alphabet. That means remaining is what? Here remaining is what? Friends, here 6 and remaining is what? Say 6 means what? Here F. Now answer is what? WKFXT. WKFXT. Next one is what? WKFXT XF. That answer is what? Option D. Question 27. Option D. 28 to 32. See, total here 8 friends are sitting around a circular table facing the center end. Friends, total here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Leave it. Next one. D is sitting tall left of H. If I will take a H, first left, second left, tall left one is part D. D is sitting tall left of H. Leave it. C is immediate right of E and C is immediate right of E. C is immediate right of E. Leave it. Two persons between B and A. Between B and A, here we are having two members. Between B and A, here we are having two members. Leave it. Next one. See here. Person sitting opposite to G is adjacent to F. The one who sitting opposite to G and opposite to G, this person is adjacent to F. Next one. B is not adjacent to D. That means for B here, no chance. For B here also, no chance. Next. Neither A nor H is adjacent to F. A and H are not adjacent to F. Not adjacent to F. Next. G is not does not facing C. G is not facing C. G is not facing C. Next. F is immediate. F is not immediate left of B. F is not immediate left of B. Not immediate left of B. Next. E does not face D. That means here E is not facing D. That means for E here no chance. Yes. This is the given one. This is the given one. That means here there is no connection. There is no connection. Then compulsory you should take possibilities. See here. Take this point. C is immediate right of E. Suppose immediate right means what? Here chance. Here chance. Next here also chance. That means totally here we are having three possibilities. For small question, three possibilities. And see here. I will explain in this question only. See here. C is immediate right of E. Here chance. If I will take. Suppose C is immediate right of me. E means here chance. Here E and C no chance. E is not neighbor. So if I take a different E, C is immediate right. Here also chance. Suppose check this possibility. Next. Our requirement is one. Friends check here. H is not neighbor of F. That means for F here no chance. For F here also no chance. F here also no chance. Next. Friends, the one F is immediate neighbor of the one who facing G. Opposite to G and now. If I will take here G, F is immediate neighbor, no chance. Here all persons are filled in D, E, C, H. If I take different is part here G, F is no chance. If I take here G means what? Here G here no chance. If I take this one is G means this one is G means now F here chance. F here chance. But remaining this one is the only A and B. Remaining is for this one is for A and B. Why mean this one is for F, D, E, C, H, G. Now these two are the possibilities for A and B. But between A and B here we are having two members. That means this one is no chance. This one is no chance. That means for C is immediate right of E means this possibility no chance. This possibility no chance. Suppose C is immediate right of E. Here chance. Here also chance. Here also chance. Then take one more possibility. Y means all within one single possibility means there is chance to get confused. D. This one is what? Here H. Now this one is what? C. This one is what? Here E. C is immediate right of E. Next. E is not facing D. Next one is what? F is not neighbor of H. Here also F is not neighbor of H. Now leave it. Now, friends, take care. Our requirement is what? F is an immediate neighbor of the one who is opposed to G. If I take here G opposite here, F no chance. If I take here G here, no chance. Here G no chance. Why means G is not facing C. Then if I take this one is what? G and this one is what? G. Now F here chance, F here chance, F here also chance, F here also chance. Yes. Suppose if I take here F and if I take here F, now these two are the remaining places. But between A and B, two members, no chance. That means for F here, no chance. This is the possibility for F. This is the possibility for F. So between A and B, two members mean these two are the possibilities. But B is not neighbor of. B is not neighbor of. Here D means this is the possibility for B. But F is not immediate left of B. Then this possibility is no chance. This possibility is no chance. Leave it. Now take this one. Friends, check it. So friends, here our requirement is what? F is an immediate neighbor of the one who is opposed to G. Suppose if I take here G opposite to here, F no chance. If I take this one is what? G opposite to here, F chance. If I take here G here, F chance. If I take here G, F no chance. Suppose take this possibility. See here. If I take this one is G, now this one is what? Here F. This one is what? F. Now our requirement is what? Friends, check it. A is not neighbor of. A is not neighbor of F and A is not neighbor of F. See, A and H are not neighbors of F. That means for A here, no chance. A here, no chance. Then this is the only possibility for A. This is the only possibility for A. This one is A means this one is what? B. But F is immediate left of B, no chance. That means for this possibility for G and F is no chance. Then this is the only possibility. G opposite person. See, this one is what? F. So F is neighbor of the one who sits opposite to G. The one who sits opposite to G. Yes. Now, friends, our requirement is what? A is not immediate neighbor of. A is not immediate neighbor of F and A is not immediate neighbor of F. A is not immediate neighbor of F. A is not immediate neighbor of F. At the same time, B is not neighbor of D. So B here no chance. Then take this one is what? A. Now this one is what? Here B. This one is what? B. Yes. This is the given entire arrangement. Now take your question. See here. Who faces C? Who is facing C here? H. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 28. Option C. Question number 29. Who said star right of E? For E, first right, second right, third right is what? A. Question number 29. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 30. If all the people are made to sit according to the alphabetical order towards left of A, then A, next B, C, D, E, F, G, yes. So this one is part G, this one is part here H, this one is part H. Now, how many people will remain same their position excluding A? So this one no here C C. Next, this one is part here C C, D E no, E F no, F B no, H G no. That means only one. Question number 30, option B. Question number 31. How many people sit between A and E when counted right of A? Between A and E, counted right of A. 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Yes, answer is what? Option B. 32. What is D position with respect to F? D position with respect to F. First right, second right, third right. Answer is what? Third to the right. So answer is what? Option B. 32, option B. Question number 33. Among P, Q, R, S, T, U. Next one say total here we are having 5 members. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members. P is taller than only U. P is taller than only U, but shorter than R. So, but qualifies here P. P is shorter than R. That means here R is taller than P. Leave it. R is taller than T. See here. R is taller than T. R is taller than T. Next. Friends, here the next one is what? P is taller than only U, but shorter than R. That means here P is shorter than R. That means R is taller than P. R is taller than P. Next, R is taller than T. R is not the tallest. That means this is the only possibility. This one is what? Here R. This one is what? T. R is not the tallest. Now remaining is what? P. R. Next remaining is what? Yes, remaining is what? Here. Yes. Question is what? Who among the following will be the middle if they stand as per their heights? Now, who is the middle? T. So, answer is for option B. Question number 33. Answer is for option B. Question number 34. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the first, take here given word. Investopedia F1 check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. See here. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the first letter is what? I. Next. Second is what? N. Next one. Sixth is what? T. Next one is what? Eighth is what? Here P. And 12th one is what? A. So if it is possible to frame meaningful word, then which of the following will be the fourth of that word? If no such word can be made, X is the answer. If more than one word, answer is what? Y. Now by using this one, which word is possible here? Paint. P-A-I-N-T. If you check here, P-A-I-N-T. Next one more word is what? Inapt. I-N-A-P-T. I-N-A-P-T. Yes. That means here total 2 words are possible. If more than such word, then answer is what? Y. So friends, here question number 34. Answer is option B. How many pairs of letters are there in the word meditation? Friends, check here. M-E-D-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, which has many letters between them in the English alphabetical series. Take here. So friends, alphabetical form after M, what will come? N. See here. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, no. After E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, no. After D, E, F, G, H, I. That means here D to I one pair. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Next after I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Next after T, no letter. After A, B, C, D. After T, U, V, no. After I, J, K, no. After O, no. That means forward here we are having only one pair. Take reverse. N, next one is part O, P, Q, R, S, T, not there, leave. After O, P, Q, R, S, T. After T, no letter, then leave. After I, J, K, L, M, N, O, no. After T, no letter, leave it. Next one, after A, B, C, D. That means here, A to D. Next, A to E also. See here, A, B, C, D, E. Next. After T, no letter, leave it. Next, after I, J, K, L, no. Next, after D, D to E. See here, D to E. D to E is what? One pair. Next. That means reverse here. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means total here we are having 5 pairs. Question number 35, option D. Question number 36 to 40. See here, 6 persons P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting in a triangular table. One person is sitting at each corner. Next, one is sitting at the edges. Here friends here. Total here we are having 6 members. One is at the corner. Next, see here we are having corners and here we are having the middle. See here, one person sitting at each corner and one person sitting at the edges. The one who is sitting at the corners are facing inside. Now, corner is facing inside, and edges is facing outside. Yes, corners are facing inside and who is sitting at edges are facing outside. Leave it. T is immediate left of the one who plays hockey. Leave it. S is star right of T. Next, U sits fourth left of Q. Next, who faces outside? Who means what? Here, Q. Q faces outside. Q faces outside means Q is compulsory sit at the edge. Now, UV is fourth left of Q. For U, for Q and first left, second left, third left, fourth left is what? U. UV is fourth left of Q. UV is fourth left of Q. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, again, T sits immediate left of the one who plays hockey. Don't know. S is star right of T. Leave it. U sits fourth left of Q. Who faces outside? Q is outside. Next. S is not neighbor of Q. S is not neighbor of Q. That means for S here no chance. For S here no chance. Here also no chance. Next, leave it. Next point. Sige. P is immediate right of the one who plays cricket. Next one. R sits second right of the one who plays badminton. Person who plays swimming is sits star right of one who plays tennis. Person who plays basketball is and tennis ball are not immediates. So they give only clue point is what? Clue point is what? QB is facing outside, then QB is this one middle. Now UB is fourth left of Q1. UB is fourth left of Q. Take here, take this point. SA is third right of T and SA is third right of T. Suppose if I take here T, first right, second right, third right, yes, chance, one possibility here. T here means first right, second right, third right here, yes. Next. Suppose if I take here T, first right, second right, third right, no chance. Next. Suppose if I take here T, first right, second right, third right, S is not neighbor, no chance. If I take here T, first right, second right, third right, no chance. That means this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. S is third right of T. Next one. T is immediate left of the one who play hockey. So if I take this one is hockey means immediate right. Our requirement is for immediate left. So T is immediate left of the one who plays here hockey. The one who plays here hockey. Leave it. Next one. So S is third right of T completed. Next point. P is immediate right of the one who play cricket. P is immediate right of the one who play cricket and suppose for P this one chance, this one chance. If I take here P is immediate right of cricket, no, this one is hockey. If I take this one is cricket, this one is what? Immediate left, but our requirement is what? Immediate right, then this is the only possibility. See here. P is immediate right of, P is immediate right of the one who plays cricket, the one who plays here cricket. Yes, leave it. Next, go for next point. See here. For next point is what? See here. R's remaining is what? R and this is the possibility for R. Leave it. Next. R sits second right of the one who play badminton. R is second right of badminton. For R, if I take badminton, this one is left. Now this one is what? Here, badminton. Now R is second right of badminton. R is second right of badminton. Leave it. Next one. Person who plays swimming is a third right of the one who plays tennis. Swimming is third right of tennis and swimming is third right of tennis. That means for swimming and tennis, say these two are the possibilities. These two are the possibilities. Next, see. Person who play baseball and tennis ball are not immediate neighbors. Not immediate neighbors. Suppose friends, if I take this one is for tennis. This one is for tennis. The person who plays swimming is third right of tennis. First right, second right, third right, this one is for here swimming. But baseball and tennis not neighbor. That means here tennis no chance. Take this one is for here tennis. Now the one who plays swimming is third right of tennis. First right, second right, third right. This one is for here swimming. This one is for here swimming. Next, leave it. Next one is what? Remaining is what? Baseball. Remaining is what? Here, baseball. Now, baseball and tennis are not neighbors. Yes, this is the given one. Take care. Question number 36. See. Who among the following person is sitting second left of the one who play badminton? Second left of the one who play badminton. Badminton. First left, second left is what? T. Baseball. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 36. Option B. Question number 37. Which of the following pair is not correct? Not correct. And now check here. T. Baseball. T baseball, this one is correct only. Next, S cricket, correct. R swimming, this one is wrong. This one is wrong. Yes. Not correct means answer is what? Option C. 37. Option C. Question number 38. Who among the following person is sitting fourth left of S? Fourth left of S and sige. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4th. Q. Answer is what? Q. Question number 38. Option A. Question number 39. Who among the following person is sit between the one who play baseball, tennis? Baseball and tennis between here. You, hockey. Answer is what? Option A. 39. Option A. Question number 40. Which of the following pair of persons does not belongs to the group? Does not belongs to that group. Then, so add one. P and Q. Friends, again, P and Q. Both are immediates. Both are immediates. Next, T and U. Both are immediates. This one also immediate. R and S. Immediates. S and Q. These two are not immediates. That means these three are belongs to one category. This one is not belongs. Then answer is what? Option D. Question number 40. Option D.